Hands on hips. Hands on hips, she stood confidently, rubbing hands together. He rubbed his hands together nervously before making his speech. Pinky swear. Let's pinky swear on it, okay? Hand to heart. She placed her hand to her heart, feeling the sincerity of his words. Drumming fingers. He drummed his fingers on the desk while waiting. Throat clearing. I heard his throat clearing before he spoke. Blowing a raspberry. He teased her by blowing a raspberry. Knee slap. He laughed and gave his knee a slap. Checking watch. He nervously checked his watch repeatedly. Shushing. The librarian was shushing the noisy students. Hand on cheek. With a hand on her cheek, she listened intently to the conversation. Grimacing. She caught herself grimacing at the sour taste. Hugging self. She hugged herself tightly, feeling alone. Palm to forehead. He sighed, palm to forehead, realizing his mistake. Brushing shoulders off. Instead of getting upset, he just brushed it off his shoulders and laughed. Hands in pockets. With his hands in his pockets, he whistled a tune as he walked. Rubbing stomach. After a big meal, she found comfort in rubbing her stomach. Belly laughing. We spent the evening belly laughing at old memories. Chin tilted up. As he spoke, his chin tilted up in a gesture of arrogance. Hands forming a triangle. Hands forming a triangle can represent unity. Stroking beard. She found comfort in stroking her beard.